Again with Chef Ricardo cooking show. Is amazing to be in the kitchen giving a favorite recipe. Anyway, I'm gonna show you how you can marinate your diced lamb. It's gonna be amazing, gonna be fantastic. Hopefully you guys just follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook and Google Plus me and get your favorite recipe, and I know you guys definitely gonna love this one. Stay right now, don't go anywhere and watch this video from Chef Ricardo today. Nice and lovely guys. So basically introduce you to my garlic crusher. Look at this. It is on my website chefricardocooking.co.uk or chefricardo.co.uk. Got my garlic crusher. 1 cup of garlic. And this is it. See? Look at that. Amazing. Simple. You don't need to stress yourself. I'm gonna use some garlic. Look at that. Get all of the flavor from this. Lovely garlic. See? Look at this. Quite shoot out. Nice and lovely. Can you imagine how this is going to be tasted on your meat? Garlic a little bit too big, let's cut it up smaller. Look at this. Garlic, nice. Just rub up it. Rub up the garlic on the meat. That's the first thing you want to do. Nice. White onion. Make sure you wash off your lamb with some lemon juice. Some oregano. I don't want no lamb season at the moment. Some basil. Some chili season. Cajun season. Pepper. Teaspoon of the all-purpose season, Jamaican Valley all-purpose season. Put another teaspoon on it. And some vegetable oil or olive oil. And then what we're gonna do, put on our gloves. I'm gonna marinate it now. Just rub it up like this. Put like a pinch of salt. Not too much. Then we're gonna soak this for 24 hours. Alright. Nice and lovely. Yeah, that's it with the Jamaican Valley season. It works really well with everything. So enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye bye.